I'm going to show you the material I'm using. I'm using a 1-inch ABS, which works the best for this for making the hubs. Tell by my vernier caliper there, it's 1 inch. And the best way to cut this is using a hacksaw or a wood saw. I wouldn't use a bandsaw or a cutoff saw because you have a chance of melting the plastic. But very easy to cut either otherwise. So now we're going to be talking about the hub that's used. I'm going to use to show you how we measure the hub for these wheels. Now these are Tamiya hubs from the Toyota Hilux, and you just take your vernier caliper and you measure the hub to get the thickness for determine the thickness for your new hub you're making. So you just take your vernier caliper and you measure the base there, like I'm doing right here. Get your measurement, and that's your thickness of your hub. It's a pretty easy thing to do. You get your measurement there, and then you just use your saw and cut out the hub pieces from the 1-inch ABS. Either cut them off on your lathe or by hand, and it's very simple thing to do. So we'll be showing you more of what else we do here. So anyways, there you have it. There's the hub there, and very simple thing to make. I'll be showing you more how to make the hex in the spacer hub. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.